Hey guys, and welcome to the pre-show here at Hot Wheels Monster Truck Live Glow and Fire 2026. We are here at the M&S Bank Arena here in Liverpool to check out the pre-show, and also we have a separate video for the actual show itself, which will be available at the end of this video. So it seems like you're getting a very close one this year compared to previous years. For this year you have Gunkster, you've got Tiger Shark, you've got Bigfoot, you've got Wrex, Bone Shaker, and new for this year, there's also Rhinomite. So when you first come to the pre-show, basically what you're wanting to do is try and get in as many of these queues as you possibly can do, because when you actually go to them, you get to meet the drivers that are going to be here. So you've got like Bigfoot over here, and the coolest one for 2026 is the new one here, which is Rhinomite. Like I say, you get to meet each one of the drivers and they'll sign the pieces of paper that you get given, like little posters that you get given when you first arrive here. Bone Shaker, looking a little bit different this year, as he's got a gold front. Not only do you have the monster trucks in this pre-show area, but you've also got the bikes. So halfway through the main show, you'll see there's a big bike show that takes place on the arena, and some crazy stunts that they do. There's also a hands-on area for the kids. This is where you get to play with the latest Hot Wheels monster trucks sets that you can buy. Usually it's sponsored by someone. I think last year it was Smith's. I'm not too sure if it's the same this year or not, but you get to have a quick play around with the latest Hot Wheels. There's also a VIP check-in area if you've got a Legends pass, so you can check in there and get to meet some of the drivers, and also I think that you also get to meet one more of the trucks backstage. We haven't got that today. What we can see is the Champions Cup, and that's what they're competing for each time that you come to a Hot Wheels event. The other thing I will point out as well, though, that if you are coming to the VIP event, it isn't really enough time to be able to come in and see all the trucks before then going into the VIP area. So you will have to prioritise if you are wanting to do that. One thing I will say about the M&S Bank Arena compared to what we've seen when we go to Manchester, the AO, it is a much smaller arena. So it feels like there's less people in the pre-show than what we got back in Manchester last year, which is a good thing. I think we'll easily be able to get round all 6 of the trucks here within the hour and a half that's been given. Yeah, so that is one thing about the pre-show. We got here at 4 o'clock and it's from 4 till 6:30, and then the main show is then from 6. I think it goes on till about 8:30, something like that. So an hour and a half is what you're getting here. Our advice would be to get straight to the monster trucks, go and meet all the drivers as quickly as you possibly can do, especially if you go into the bigger arenas, the likes of the ones in London, the ones in Manchester, just because it can actually get really packed in these if you sell quite a lot of tickets. So they've got loads of merch here. They've got big Tiger Shark. So not only can you meet the monster trucks, but you can also get yourself a license plate, a Hot Wheels official license plate, which is £15. So you can become a monster truck driver. So we have just about finished the pre-show, haven't we, buddy? Yeah. How cool was that?
I think that's cool after quality.
Yeah, it has been quiet, hasn't it? We've learned quite a lot. We went and spoke to Darren Snell, and he mentioned that basically the monster trucks, the actual innards of the monster trucks, are built to the drivers, right, buddy? Yeah. And they just changed the shells. Yeah. So what is Rhinomite this year? Actually, last year was Gunkster.
And Gunkster is literally over there.
Yeah.
But you never know who we would have been last year.
Exactly. Right, guys, so that is your pre-show. We're going to head upstairs now, ready for the main show. Until next time.
We'll see you on the next adventure.
Catch you later.
Bye.